Naked Yoga, Flexibility and Stretching for Beginners. Welcome to our naked yoga routine, designed for beginners focusing on stretching and flexibility. This is a space where you can feel free and embrace your natural self. Let's start with a gentle warm-up. Stand tall, breathe deeply, and rotate your shoulders. Feel the tension melting away as you connect with your body's natural rhythm. Next, move into a forward fold. Let gravity pull you closer to the earth. This pose releases stress in your spine and enhances flexibility. Remember, it's about feeling good, not perfect form. Now, transition into a low lunge. This stretches the thighs and groins while opening up the chest. With every breath, imagine yourself sinking deeper into the pose, becoming more flexible. We'll now practice the seated forward bend. Extend your legs and reach for your toes. If you can't touch them, that's okay. It's the journey that matters, not the destination. Up next, the cat-cow stretch. On all fours, alternate between arching your back and sinking it down. This movement increases spinal flexibility and relieves tension in your torso. Let's explore the butterfly pose. Sitting down, bring the soles of your feet together and gently flap your knees. This pose is excellent for opening the hips and improving flexibility. As we near the end, embrace the child's pose. Let your forehead touch the ground and stretch your arms forward. This is a moment of rest, introspection, and gratitude for your body. Finally, return to a standing position. Take a deep breath and let it out slowly. You've completed your naked yoga routine. Carry this sense of freedom and flexibility into your day.